What happened to you? No, it should be like this. Yeah. Like that.
To cycle.
Hold down?
Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am.
Or basketball?
No.
Just fell down, no?
I fell down from the motorcycle.
Ah, accident?
Yes, sir.
Ayan,
Yes, sir.
sorry.
Thank you. You only cut it with scissors.
You have scissor there, Mr. Esther? Scissor? Yeah, they make it tight, this one. This one is from him, Gilead Unit. They do it here?
No. At my school.
Water. Ready, there. Is it paining you?
Yes, sir.
Sorry. Relax, relax your feet. I need alcohol. It is very dry. So, wait. You have to bring down. Bring down. Sorry. What about the normal saline? It's paining him. See? It's dry. I have normal saline there. Let me just cut it. Here. Let me just cut it. No need to. Let me see the heat. The wound stick into the goose is very dry. It's paining you?
Yes, ma'am.
Wait, sorry. I need to cut it here. Let's try if we can make it. The scissor is very sharp. I put the spirit again, huh?
No, ma. Please.
We don't have cotton again? Okay, can you use it? Sorry.
Yes, ma. But if we touch the wound, it's reacting.
It's coming out.
Sorry? Sorry.
Wait.
Sit down. That's why we need to wait. Let's wait it so that it will soft, yeah?
Sorry.
Ma, you're doing the video and this thing too.
Okay, off it. It's moving the video, you didn't turn it off.
Oh my god.
No problem.
So cut it out.
No, I will cut it. No problem. I don't know.